You open your annual portfolio report and your stomach immediately drops. You did the research. The fundamentals are completely solid. Yet, right there in red, two of your favorite heavily researched stocks are down 38%. Your brain scrambles for a narrative cause. Was it a recent news item about artificial intelligence? Did a political shift destroy the industry? You start convincing yourself this multi-billion-pound company is toast. This is the retail investor's fallacy. It is the deeply ingrained, flawed assumption that buying a high-quality company guarantees a perfectly straight vertical line of profit. Panic during a normal market dip reveals a gap between reality and expectation, rather than a sign of financial ruin. Zoom out, and you see that the historical stock market is a massive, uncontrollable ecosystem. It operates completely independent of our desires. Absolutely no single individual possesses the power to suspend this market volatility and force a stock price to only go up. Even figures with massive global influence and immense political power cannot simply dictate market direction based on their names alone. The same rule applies to the world's most powerful tech innovators and market movers. They are all subject to the exact same unpredictable forces. If the most powerful people on Earth cannot stop a stock from falling, everyday investors must accept extreme volatility as an unsolvable law of gravity. When an asset collapses, we have no way of guessing whether the massive drop is a permanent failure or a temporary setback. We do not have time machines. This chart shows Meta's historic stock trajectory. It experienced a massive 75% plunge, creating public panic. That catastrophic drop was followed by a staggering 300% rally. Anyone claiming they knew that was guaranteed at the lowest point is lying. Because we cannot predict the future of a single stock, relying on just one asset is essentially gambling, not investing. To see how extreme success handles this exact same unpredictability, we look to the greatest investor of all time. His historical journey to becoming the richest man in the world was not a smooth ascent. It was a remarkably rocky path. This introduces the concept of a drawdown. A drawdown is a measure of decline from a historical peak in an investment's value. Over his career, his entire portfolio sank by 50% on 3 separate, devastating occasions. During those exact same drops, the general public panicked. He maintained a stoic discipline. A 50% drawdown acts as the mandatory historical price for achieving exponential wealth. Holding multiple varying assets creates a mathematical shield, because different industries rarely collapse at the exact same moment for the exact same reason. Return to that initial investor staring at an annual report with 2 solid stocks sitting 38% in the red. If those 2 stocks represent only a small fraction of a larger, diversified portfolio, their 38% drop is diluted by the stability of the other holdings. This averaging effect ensures that a single bad year for one company doesn't result in a total portfolio wipeout. Diversification renders unpredictable single-stock risk into a manageable portfolio probability. You have to make a mental shift. You must abandon the mindset of the anxious, reactive private investor and become a stoic, data-driven participant in the market. When the market moves exactly as historically expected, with severe volatility and dramatic drawdowns, the only correct action is to relax. The fantasy of constant gains must die for real investment success to begin. Mastering portfolio volatility is ultimately about mastering your own psychological expectations of the market.